start to program our simple calculator to make a functionality of addition. I will get some variables to do that. I'll take number 1 for storing the values from pressing the button A. I'll take the number 2 variable which will store the values from button B, and I will take my third variable which will store the addition of values from A and B. Let's see what we're gonna do that now. I will take these 3 variables in the Start tab to give some default values to 0. Don't forget to change these values to number 1, number 2 and total. As you remember, we have to make the functionality for button A and button B. To do that, I will go to input. I will take the button panel over here. I will go to variable. When the button is pressed, change the value of number 1 by 1. And to display that updated value, the incremented value, I will take the show and drag it over here. I will go to variables, put the number 1 and assign it over here to display the updated value. Again, for button B, I'll duplicate this code. I'll select this over here and I'll do the shortcuts Control C and Control V. I'll drag it over here. Don't forget to change this to button B. And this is related to number 2 and show number 2. So this code will display the incremented value while we press these 2 buttons. To make it addition, I will go to input. I'll take this and drag it over here. I'll go to drop down, take the A plus B, which means A and B button will press together, and set the total to maths and addition. And addition of number 1 and number 2, which goes to total. Again, to display the addition values, I'll take the show number, take the variable total, which will show the updated values which are stored in total over here on the LED screen. Another functionality which is resetting all the list over here of the variables to 0 again. To do that, I'll take the shake. I will again go to variables, take 3 variables and drag it over here on the and I'll change this to number 1, number 2 and total, and I will display the updated total value to 0 again. So this is the whole code of a simple calculator. Let's check it out. When we press the button A, it should increment the values, which is 3 right now. On the press of button B, it's 4. So it means 3 is in number 1 and 4 is in number 2. When we press the button A plus B over here, it should add 3 plus 4 is equal to 7 in total. Let's see. 7 in total. Beautiful after. That's good. Now, another functionality is on shake, which is When we shake this, it comes to 0, which means the default values is 0 over here for all the variables, and which will display the total is 0. It means memory is clear and the variables are set to go again to make it another addition. And that is your simple calculator application for MicroBit. Hope you enjoyed learning it. Thank you.